Hey guys, what's up? In a short tutorial video I'm going to teach you how you can rotate your images and photos on Google Photos really quickly and without any photo editing skills whatsoever. So drop a like and now let us dive into this. Head over to Google Photos, sign in with your associated Google account, and here inside your photo library select the item you'd like to rotate. You can apply this to any photo or video here in your library. So let's click on the given photo. Let me go with that one here for the sake of this tutorial. And after that, click on that button or icon here at top right, edit. This is going to redirect you to a list of, or to a menu of editing tools and features here to the right. So what you want to do, guys, is switch from the suggestions here to the cropping tool next to it. And here you will see, for example, various cropping templates and resolutions or aspect ratios, like 16:9, for example, 9:16 original, and so on and so forth. So you may play around with this as much as you like, or simply crop your image manually by selecting this one here. And after that, crop your image. Let me do that really quickly. So now, guys, if you'd like to rotate your image, all you will need to do is click on that icon here at on the left side, rotate, and simply find your best setup. As you can see, the rotation can only be applied to a 90% or to a 90 degree. Not to a custom degree, so you can rotate your image always in 90 degrees like that. So that's basically it, guys. Or alternately, wait, excuse me, as you can see, it is actually possible to find a custom degree by moving that slider here. So let me adjust, for example, a 30% rotation like this. And that's it, guys. To save your changes, click on save here in the top right, and that's how it works. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.